Dealing with complex models that have high-resolution textures in Blender can make it a nightmare when it comes to viewport navigation. And when trying to display a render preview, depending on your machine, it will either take long time to preview or cause Blender to crash.
I've waited years.
And even after the preview appears, it might be really hard to navigate around your model without causing Blender to crash. So what's the solution?
Simplify. Simplify.
Go to the render properties, scroll down, and enable Simplify. Simplify has a bunch of settings that makes preview renders faster and easy to deal with. You can decrease the max subdivision in your scene from 6 to 2, and all the subdivisions in your scene will be lower. Limit the texture size for something lower, and you can now navigate around your model easier and preview your render faster.
You simplify the situation considerably.
Follow for more.